Hi everyone, here we've got LG G8X ThinQ, and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Then let's find apps and notifications and click on special access. Here let's scroll down and find install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are not allowed to install anything. If you want to change it, for example, allow Chrome to install unknown apps, then simply tap on it and click on allow from the source. Let's get back. And as you can see, the Chrome is from now on allowed to install something. The same situation will be, for example, with the Google Drive. So let's tap on it and click on allow from the source. Let's get back, and it also has been changed. If you want to turn it off, just tap on the app you want to turn off and click on the switcher right here. Let's get back, and as you can see, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources on your LG G8X ThinQ. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.